Hello and welcome to a Beaufort County Report. We are here with Sarah and we are down here at the Bicentennial Lafayette Festival going on down here at the Henry C. Chambers Waterfront Park. Sarah, can you tell me a little bit more about your position and the things that you do and how you played a part in this festival?
Yeah, absolutely. I am the City of Beaufort Downtown Manager and Main Street Beaufort Director, and we worked in conjunction with all of the organizations that put on this wonderful event for the Lafayette Bicentennial celebration, and we're really excited because I heard it's one of the largest celebrations in South Carolina, and we get to showcase our beautiful downtown and the rich history that Beaufort has.
So with Main Street Beaufort, what all did you guys have to do and how did you set this whole entire thing up?
Yeah, so Main Street Beaufort is part of the Downtown Operations umbrella, and we work with all of the events downtown and make sure everything's going to go smoothly. We work with the different departments within the city, and then we communicate to our merchants and make sure they know that this event is going on. Some of them are doing flower shops in front of their stores to kind of fit the theme. So we're really excited.
And whose idea was it to host this event? Where did the idea come from, if you know?
Yeah, so this is with the Lafayette Bicentennial planning team and the Historic Beaufort Foundation. They really wanted to do this because Lafayette was an important person that came to Beaufort, but we're doing it during the daytime because he got stuck low tide and he didn't show up until really late that night, and we'd like to do it during the day.
Yeah, we get to do it right. You know, you get to redo it over.
Yes.
So it's very fantastic. What part are you most excited for?
I am excited to see Lafayette roll up to the day dock at 10 a.m. and the cannon fire, and then the procession down the street I think is going to be a really cool way to highlight what happened that day and kick things off.
So what do events like this mean for the cultural significance of Beaufort?
Beaufort has a really deep and a really rich history, and we wouldn't be who we are today without that history. So I think it ties in what Beaufort is today with what Beaufort was, and it showcases that to South Carolina, to the country, and they get to know a little bit more about our little Beaufort.
Mm-hmm. Alrighty, well, thank you, Sarah, and thank you for taking the time to speak with us.
Yeah.
And we will be back soon with another Beaufort County Report.